This is the Actuator Duty Cycle Calculator for on-time and rest period, which determines how hard you're working your actuator and its expected lifespan. Let's look at the 3 input fields. First is on time in seconds. Enter how long your actuator runs during each cycle. Next is off time in seconds. This is the rest period between operations. Finally, cycles per hour tells the calculator how many times this pattern repeats in 1 hour. Each field requires a positive number with no maximum limit. For our example, I'll enter 10 seconds for on time, 10 seconds for off time, and 10 cycles per hour. After clicking calculate, we get 3 critical results. The duty cycle shows 50%, meaning the actuator is active half the time. The heat estimate reads moderate, indicating manageable thermal buildup that shouldn't cause overheating issues. Most importantly, the life factor shows good with 60 to 80% rated life, telling us this operating pattern will provide solid longevity without excessive wear. This calculator helps you optimize actuator performance while maximizing service life. Find the link in the description below.